we had a deal or not. This is an enormous waste of time. It's going to be a waste of public funds. Mr. Crawford's hired a private attorney, despite the fact that he's hired a full-time in-house attorney. He's now hired a law firm to do this. I assume they're going to be paid by public funds. I don't know whether they're funds that you authorized or not, but to some extent I'm embarrassed to be here. This isn't the way we should work things out, particularly in Nassau County. But it has come to that. We are unable to deal with Mr. Crawford because we cannot count on him.
Well, Mr. Chairman, I move that we have our attorney, and all you're needing from him is just a letter. It doesn't cost the county anything.
Well, it'll take some of Mr. Holman's time, but he tells me he has a lot of spare.
Oh, he does? Okay. That's good to know. Thank you, Judge.
It is actually called a brief. It's not a letter.
It's not a boxer, it's a brief.
Well, actually, it's a boxer, but they call it a brief.
I'll second for discussion, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Commissioner Holloway.
Thank you. Through the chair, Mr. Holman, I am familiar with this, like we probably all are, but my question is, since Mr. Crawford has decided to hire outside counsel, in your best guess from experience, what do you think that may cost the taxpayers to carry this to fruition?
If Mr. Crawford accepts the word of the First District Court of Appeal and does not, again, take it to the next level, the Supreme Court, his side should cost $15,000 to $20,000 would be my estimate. I should point out that the esteemed Jacksonville law firm, Smith Halsey Busey, has agreed to represent the Chief Judge free of charge. Steve Busey's personally involved.
Okay.
And we should be, if you vote to have my office work on this, Paolo Soria and I should be able to do it in-house without the need for outside counsel.
Okay.
Yeah. You've answered my question. I'll support it. Second again.
Okay, thank you. Any other discussion? Commissioner Edwards.
From the county commission standpoint, Mr. Holman, have we had any interaction with the clerk as far as this suit? Have we been notified that he was doing this by him? Has he put anything in our hands?
No direct communication until I'm trying to remember to make sure I'm accurate. I was at the meeting that Judge Foster mentioned that the chairman was at, in which the clerk unequivocally said that he would comply with the order of the court. Since that time, I've not had any direct communication from the clerk's office, except that they did send me a copy of the writ once it was filed with the District Court of Appeal.
Was he offered a chance to come this morning, or was this, he's not here? I'm just wondering if he had an opportunity to put his words in.
I don't think that...
I didn't invite him. I have not talked to him except going down to ask him when I had the email from the State Court Administrator's office why he did not extend the courtesy to either Judge Moran or me of notifying us that he had backed off his word. That was my last conversation with him.
Thank you, Chairman.
Okay, you're welcome. Anyone else? Okay, Judge Foster, I agree. I wish you weren't here before us. It does seem to be an embarrassment to the county. And
It is.
let's hope we can get this worked out. Seemed like a phone call would have went way further than filing a suit.
Or keeping one's word would have resolved it several months ago.
So thank you for your request,
Yes,
and we're happy to, in just a moment, I guess we'll have to take an aye vote because of voice vote, because the Granicus is not working. So we have a motion on the floor. Seconded. All in favor, aye. Aye. Any opposed? Judge Foster, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate your support. It means a lot.
Thank you.
very much.